Okay, so for my EPT project, I am making a hardware tracker. A tracker is a type of sequencer / DAW that works top down instead of left to right. So in practice, that looks and sounds like this. So the way this works is it is entirely sample-based. Samples are loaded from an SD card right here, and projects are also saved onto the SD card. Though it crashed right now, this is a great opportunity to show you the loading features. So here you can hit our load button, and I apologize for the noise. Still working that one out. You can see here that all those instruments are back here and all our patterns are back to normal. From here, this is our instrument screen, which basically shows you all the instruments, and these vertical lines right here are slices. So any sample that you import, you can slice and allow you to play different sections of that sample based on the note that you send it. Those notes correspond here. So here, this number here corresponds to which instrument it is. So in this case, this is 0, 1, 2, etc., etc., etc. So here we're playing that first instrument, which is our breakbeat sample, at the first slice and all of these notes. If there are no slices or you are beyond the slice, these notes then begin to transpose the sound according to whatever note is playing based on root note of C4. So here you'll see this other instrument over here, our O1, is our chord instrument, and you'll hear it being pitched around as it plays different notes, not necessarily playing a different section of the sample because there are no slices. Yeah, and just like that. There is also an effects screen here, so the effects work per lane. So in our sequencer right here, you can see that there are, right now, because of the size of the screen, we can only display 2 lanes at once, but there are 4 lanes, which is shown by this number up here. So you have up to 4 voice polyphony. Any sample can be played on any channel, so you can move things around as needed. And the effects are not on a per sample basis, but on a per lane basis. So here, say, and these are all the effects that I have so far, and I plan on adding more. So say I added just a filter right here, bring that frequency down. You can hear that this will affect only the breakbeat sample, just like that. Wow, it's a filter, just like that. Yeah, and so those are all of the features that I have so far. Oh, also you can pitch samples around, you can add the gain, you can edit the envelope of every single instrument, and those are independent from each other. The last couple things to do are going to be, one, fixing this noise problem. As you can probably hear, there's a bunch of noise coming from here. I've tried fixing it with decoupling capacitors. That hasn't quite worked, so we'll see what to do about that. And also, as you heard when we were loading the sample, there was that really egregious noise. It seems like it is a FAT-FS error and not an error on my end, but I will continue to work on that. The next thing as well is also to add step effects. So the plan is to be able to add sequence time effects in here, right? So for example, if you have like an R, it'll allow you to repeat a note faster than the divisions of this grid. So say I wanted to have like a little roll here, I could edit that value and put a roll in. Other features could be like pitching a specific note up or down, some like micro delays to get times in between all these steps. That is to be figured out. But yeah, that is my project so far.